Alright guys, we got the Stellar under the microscope today. Stellar versus the Bitcoin. I think the Stellar holds one of the most promising buy opportunity versus the Bitcoin. I think the Stellar right now, by the look of it, is poised for an upside move, meaning it's going to outperform the Bitcoin. Now, if you remember, we're following this particular technical picture, which is a very strong, it's a very strong one. We have a solid setup here. Take a look. Basically three well-established legs, right? And I think we are still in the process, in the making of the fourth leg. So this whole complex structure, I think, is just still part of the fourth leg that should end up eventually right there on the upper section, starting with the price tag of 4.055 right there. Now, I suggested that this particular blue dotted line, right, the 4.033, was an important support level and maybe the one to break that downside correction. I thought that was just a local downside correction, and at first it looked like as if price was breaking that level. Take a look. We had pretty decisive close on the daily chart here below that level, but as quick as it was to break down, it quickly came back and closed back above, right? So that's actually a good sign. I think that level was actually it managed to hold. Let's just say that as a strong support, and price basically began to break away from that level a little bit, and then came back with that spike just to check up on that level again. So that's also a good indication that we may be pointing upwards, right? This is maybe just the very early stages of what will become the next upside segment. Has the potential to to go straight to that 4.038 again. So for those of you who are looking for short-term profit, for the long-term perspective, obviously we expect a break out of that level and the continuation of that upside trend all the way to that major key level 4.055, or should I say 56. So Stellar looking pretty good, starting to look pretty good on the upside. We still want to have that, positive momentum starting to build up before we're going to go all in. Alright, that's about that for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.